Hello everyone. In this video we will learn a few more problems based on quadratic factorization, but we will deal with some tricky and important problems. Okay, so let's dive into it. सबभन्दा पहिला हामी रिभाइज गर्छौं. Okay, what is breaking the middle term? We will revise that. Okay, you know what breaking the middle term is, right? Now see, whatever is there in front of x is the middle term. So middle term is 1 here. So here in front we have 1. So multiply with 1. Okay, I'm just revising it. Okay, and this is minus 12 because plus minus minus 12. So what do we find? Multiplying 12. Okay, duita number खोज्छ. When multiplying two numbers, when multiplying gives you 12 and on subtracting gives you the middle term. Those two numbers are 4 3s are 12. Okay, गुणा गर्दाखेरि 12, घटाउँदाखेरि 1 आउने. So for 1 what we will write? 4 minus 3. That is what we have written here. Okay, I'm just revising it. Right? Then with this plus you multiply inside. Plus plus plus, 4 into x 4x, plus minus minus, 3 into x 3x. Okay, that you know. And from the first and second and from third and fourth you take common. Okay, and when you take common, this sign and this sign will not change. That we have already done. So x square of 4x my x common, inside x plus 4 is left, minus 3 and 12. What is the highest dividing number between 3 and 12? Okay, सबभन्दा ठुलो भाग गर्ने number के हो? 3 र 12 मा 3. So that will be common, and in this bracket whatever is there in the front bracket we will write that. Okay, and then these two we will take common, and whatever is left we will keep in the next bracket. Okay, so bracket into bracket form we got it. So that is how we factorize the given term. Alright, so that is so simple. Okay, we have already done this type of problems before. So this is how we solve question number 1. Now in question number 2 what we will do is, okay, number 2 ma ke garcha bhane, here we have 12 no as number. 12 को जग्गामा चाहिँ 12 को जग्गामा चाहिँ हामीलाई 4 into 3 जस्तै, okay, something like x plus 2 into x minus 1 दिएको हुन्छ. 4 को जग्गामा यो, 3 को जग्गामा यो, यस्तो प्रकारले दिएको हुन्छ. That type of problem is what we are going to solve today, like this. You can check it out. Alright, so what is this? This is like 12. Okay, in question number 1. Question number 1 ma 12 जस्तै हो यो. Right, so plus plus minus minus we get, and here is 1. So 1 into bracket gives you a plus 1 into a plus 2. Okay, so this is bigger, okay, like 4, and this is smaller like 3. Remember that. And what is the middle term? 1. Okay, so multiplying you should get this, and subtracting you should get 1. So those numbers are a plus 2 and a minus 1. A plus 1. Okay, these are the two numbers. A plus 2 into a plus 1 यति नै आउँछ, यति नै आउँछ. अनि घटाइ हेर्नु, a plus 2 बाट a plus 1 ला. Okay, because this is bigger, this is smaller, no? This is bigger. Okay, bigger minus smaller we do always. Okay, you just try it out. Minus plus minus a, minus plus minus 1. हामीलाई कति चाहिन्छ? 1 चाहिन्छ हैन. मिडल टर्म आउँछ कि आउँदैन हेर. 2 minus 1 1 आउँछ. So 1 को जग्गामा हामी के लेख्छ? a plus 2 minus a plus 1. a plus 1 लाई अगाडि, a plus 2 लाई पछाडि लेख्नु हुँदैन ल. ठुलोलाई जहिले पनि अगाडि लेख्नुपर्छ. Just like writing 4 minus 3. Okay, यहाँनिर 12 भालेको के लेख्छ? 4 3s are 12. 4 minus 3 1 आउँदैन. Similarly, but here we don't have 4 and 3. a plus 2 छ 4 को जग्गामा, 3 को जग्गामा a plus 1 छ. That you should not forget. Okay, the remaining is same. So multiply with plus, you get a plus 2p is a plus 2p, and plus minus minus you get, and a plus 1p is a plus p. Okay, similar. Okay, this is your like 12 जस्तै हो. Then you take common from the first and second. You take common. What is common? P is common. What is left? P plus a plus 2 is left. This sign will not change. Okay, and then a plus 1 and a plus 1 are common. No, yahabata ke common cha? A plus 1 common cha. So a plus 1, if you take common, then inside the bracket what will be left? Yaha agadi jati cha त्यति नै will be left. Alright, then these two brackets are same, so we will keep them in one, and the remaining one we keep in the next. Okay, then with plus you multiply and open the bracket, with this minus you multiply and open the bracket, and that should be your ultimate answer. Okay, but you have to see this video 2 times, 3 times, many times, as long as you don't understand. Okay, नबुझिन्जेलसम्म यो भिडियो हेर्ने हो. Then question number 3, 4, 5 you will easily follow. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Now we will go to the next problem. Now we will see this question number 3, which is very much similar to question number 2. Here, what is the hint? 1 into this gives you a plus 3b, a plus 2b, and plus minus gives you minus. So find two numbers. Guna gardakeri, when you multiplying you get a plus 3b, a plus 2b, and when you subtract you get how much? B, because B is the middle term here. And those two numbers are what? A plus 3b into a plus 2b. Okay, they duitai huncha number. And when you subtract, what you should get? Ghataundakeri 2b paunu parcha haina. Now check it out whether you get it or not. Yes, obviously you will get minus a minus plus minus 2b, alright? These two will get cancelled. 3b minus 2b gives you b, sign of the bigger number b. So for b, what we will write? A plus 3b minus a plus 2b. Okay, यसरी हामीलाई break गर्छ. Then you multiply with minus both, and then you get this. Okay, ax square minus this, minus minus plus, then a plus 2bx, a plus 2bx minus this. Okay, then what we do? We take common from this first and second, and third and fourth. Right? Okay. Now, when we take common, this sign and this sign will not change. Okay, repeatedly I am telling you. So x is common here, this is left. Okay, keep the bracket here because there is minus. Okay, then from here and here, what is common? A plus 2b and a plus 2b common, sir. Okay, and what is left? Whatever is there in the front bracket, that is left. Then what we do? These two are same, so we will keep them in one bracket, and the leftover x and this will keep in the another bracket. Okay, then with this minus you multiply inside, you get minus plus minus, minus plus minus, a minus 3b, and with this plus you multiply inside, plus a plus 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 twice b. Okay, so this will be your answer. Alright, so I hope you have understood it. You have to study the problem and do it yourself once. Okay, then it will become crystal clear. Okay, 2-3 times you have to watch the video. Okay, 2-3 पल्ट हेर्नु पर्छ अनि मात्रै clearly बुझ्छ. Okay, now here is one problem. Okay, question number 4. Okay, so question number 4 is also similar type of problem, but here something is new. Okay, yeah. Now you follow the same trick. Plus 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 1 1 जा 1. Okay, गुना गर्दाखेरि 1 आउने, add गर्दाखेरि p plus 1 by p आउने, because middle term is p plus 1 by p here. X को अगाडि जे छ त्यसलाई त middle term भन्छ, isn't it? So those numbers are p and 1 by p. किनभने p र 1 by p लाई मल्टिप्लाई गरे भने p काटेर 1 आउँछ. Okay, we get 1. And when you add p plus 1 by p, they are unlike terms, you get p plus 1 by p. That means this has already been broken. आफै break भइरहेको छ. Okay, so simply you multiply with plus and open the bracket. Plus 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 p into x px plus 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 1 by p into x 1 by px. Okay, अब यहाँ एउटा ट्रिक लगाउनु पर्छ. You have to use one trick here. Okay, for 1 you have to write p by p, because p and p if you cancel you get 1. लेख्नै पर्छ. Then only 1 by p and 1 by p can be taken common. Okay, नत्र common निकाल्न सक्दैन. So that is a trick here. Then what you do? From here you take common, from here you take common. Okay, from the first x common cha, x plus p रहन्छ, plus is there, and from the second 1 by p is common. Okay, what is left? X plus p is left. Okay, then x plus p and x plus will be in one bracket, and the leftover will be in another bracket. Okay, यो अगाडि पछाडि लेख्दा के हुँदैन. So this is how we do this problem, right? So you have to study this also. Okay, 2-3 पल्ट भिडियो हेर्नु पर्छ, then it will become crystal clear. Okay, now we will solve this last problem. Okay, but this is a bit tricky one. First, what we will do is this question. First of all, we will take minus common. Okay, then we will break the middle term here. यहाँनिर पहिला breaking the middle term गर्नुपर्छ. The hint is minus 2. So multiplying 2 and subtracting, how much you should get? 1, no? What are the numbers? 2 into 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. So first of all we will do that. Alright, this is a square plus, this will be 2 minus 1 a minus 2. Right, then this will be a square plus 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 2 into a plus minus minus 1 into a. 1a you can write, or simply a मात्रै लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ. Okay, then what do we have? We will take common. Again, that we know. Nothing is common, so 1 is common. Okay, पछाडिको ब्र्याकेटमा अगाडिको ब्र्याकेटमा जे हुन्छ, the same will be there. Then you take a plus 2 and in one bracket, and the leftover in another bracket. Okay, so this is what we got. Now after coming to this, what we see is this is similar to question number 3 and 4. Okay, plus minus minus. Okay, 1 into this gives you a plus 2 into a minus 1. Okay, multiply गर्दाखेरि a plus 2 a minus 1 and subtract गर्दाखेरि कति आउने? 3 आउने, because the middle term is 3. Okay, numbers are these two. Okay, if you multiply these two, you will get that. Okay, यही आउँछ गुणा गर्दाखेरि a plus 2 into a plus a minus 1, a plus 2 into a minus 1 आउँछ, अनि subtract गर्दा चाहिँ 3 आउँछ कि आउँदैन, you can just check it out. Okay, a plus 2 minus, you have to give a bracket. Okay, because you are subtracting. So what do you get? Minus plus minus a, minus minus plus 1, so a cancels, and 2 plus 1 gives you 3. Okay, so for this 3, what you can write? You can write a plus 2 minus a minus 1. Okay, you can write that. For 3, you can write a plus 2 minus a minus 1. Alright, and this will be minus a plus 2 a minus 1. Alright, and here will be x. So this will be x square plus a plus 2 x plus minus minus a minus 1 x minus a plus 2 a minus 1 हुन्छ त्यहाँदेखिको क्वेसन नम्बर 2 3 and 4 मा जसरी हामीले सल्भ गरेको यो do it. Okay, you proceed like in question 3 and 4. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Okay, you have to watch this video many times, then it will become clear. Okay, thank you very much for watching it. This much for this video. Thank you.